What is going on, guys? My name is UnlimitedCop, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Phantom AIO. Now, Phantom is a bot developed by the guys over at Ghost Sneakers. It's been out for a couple years now, and it's definitely proven itself to be a very good Footsite bot. Now, it's going to cover around 7 sites ranging from Footsites, Adidas, and Supreme. You can pick up a copy of Phantom for somewhere around $650 on Bot Broker right now. Renewals are going to range anywhere from $60 every 6 months to $150 every 6 months. And you can get your hands on a lifetime copy somewhere around $1,000 as of right now. Now, if you guys were in my past live stream, you saw me absolutely cook with Phantom. It did really well for me. It did really well for a lot of people on that drop. Phantom's been doing really good on Footsites and Adidas these past couple weeks, which has obviously driven up the resale pricing. Personally, I've had Phantom for around 8 months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I would highly recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a Footsite bot or an Adidas bot. Also, guys, a little disclaimer, I don't have any affiliation with Ghost Sneakers or Phantom in any way, so this is unbiased opinion. This is just based off my experiences and how I've done with the bot in the past. Now, guys, that is pretty much it for the intro on this video. Let's hop onto my computer and I can show you guys around the bot. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we're on my computer now. We have Phantom open. This is going to be the home screen for Phantom, guys. This is going to be where you make all of your tasks. As you can see up here, we have this top bar that has all your stores. They have a bunch of stores ranging from YeezySupply to Supreme to Footsites. So I'm going to be going through every single site showing you guys how to set it up. So for your Footsites, it's pretty simple, guys. You just want to pick your region right here. You're going to put in the SKU or the URL of the item releasing. Next, you want to pick your size. Now, most of the time, guys, I'm just going to do multi-sizing and put all the sizes that I want in. So let's say we're going for Yeezy like a base size. I would obviously just put size 4 through 6.5, just like this. Now, guys, be sure you separate each size with a comma. Next up, you can put the amount of tasks that you want. Generally, I run like 40 to 50 tasks per foot site. Next up, you want to pick your profile right here, and you can pick out which way you want to release. And then next, you pick out the checkout mode. Now, most of the time, you are going to be using the release mode. Obviously, if it is a restock, you want to run restock mode. Most of the time, you guys won't even want to touch the unsafe release method. Then right here, you can do the random email. That's just going to generate a random email address, and then you can use desktop mode if you would like to. And once you're done that, guys, just hit create, and you're pretty much good to go. Moving on to YeezySupply, it's a very simple process. It's actually pretty much the exact same. You're going to put in the SKU right here, have the sizing that you guys want, the amount of tasks you have right here, your profiles, and then you just hit create just like the other ones. Now, Supreme is a little bit different. You guys want to pick your region right here, put in your keywords right here, and then you put your color right here, the amount of tasks you want, your checkout delay. If you want to run safe mode, you would click that right here. Then obviously you have the random email option again. And last but not least, guys, we have Adidas. This is going to be very, very similar to YeezySupply. Pretty much all you guys want to do, put in the SKU or the URL right here, put in the size that you guys want, put the amount of tasks, the profile obviously, and then if it's going to have a captcha, you'll hit captcha. Then if you want the task to check out, you would hit checkout. And then obviously if it is a Yeezy, you run Yeezy mode. If you guys don't know what the checkout checkbox is, all it is, guys, if you don't have it checked, is it is going to send you a URL that you guys can check out manually. And if it is checked, it's going to check it out itself. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you don't have it checked, you're going to manually check it out. And if it is checked, the bot will check out for you. Moving on to the task page, guys, this is pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to see all your tasks right here. You can start, stop, and delete each single task. Then you can start all, stop all, delete all, open your captcha tab, open your splash page login. Now, if you are on a splash page, you would definitely want to be logged into this. And then you can import and export your task up here. Moving on to the profiles, very forward and simple process. Put in all your information, save them, then obviously you can load profiles over here. You can delete them right here also. Then your analytics page is also very straightforward. It has how many items you carded, how many items checked out. And then if you check that item down here, it'll say like what site it was, what product, what size, what profile it used, and obviously the order number. Moving on to the proxy tester tab, guys, just like the other, just very straightforward. You just put your proxies in here, select whatever site you guys want to test them on, hit test, and then obviously if there's bad proxies, just hit remove bad, and then you're good to go. Now moving on to the settings tab, very straightforward. Once again, guys, I know I keep saying that, but just put your webhook URL in right here, your retry and error delay. Generally, I'm going to keep my error delay somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000, kind of depends on what sites I'm running. Then you can obviously put your proxies in right here. You can deactivate the bot on this computer right here. Then for quick tasks, you have a key right here, which I probably don't think I can show you. And then you have your subscription management down here, and then your quick test profile and sizes. Alright, guys, that is pretty much all there is to Phantom. If you guys have any questions or anything I didn't answer in this video, please leave a comment down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get to you guys. And as always, if I did help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content, and definitely check out some other videos. Also, guys, let me know what bots you guys want to see me review next down in the comment section below. If you haven't followed my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and all my social medias, links to those are down in the description below if you guys are interested. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you.